You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this perfume or fragrance. So I believe it's an eau de parfum. If you want to learn more fashion brand names, fragrance too, French, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. Xerjoff is the English pronunciation. In French it's pronounced Xerjoff Erba Pura, or Erba Pura. So that's more from Latin, so it should be pronounced Erba Pura. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.